Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Spectrum on LG Smart TV. So without being said guys, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to turn on your LG Smart TV. Press the power button on your remote to turn on the TV. The following step is to access the LG Content Store. Navigate to the home screen and open the LG Content Store, usually represented by an icon that looks like a shopping bag. The third step is to search for the Spectrum app. In the LG Content Store, use the search function to type in Spectrum and locate the app. The fourth step is to download the application. Select the Spectrum app from the search results and click on the install or download button to begin the installation. The last step is to launch the application. Once installed, return to the home screen, find the Spectrum app and launch it. Sign in with your Spectrum credentials to start using the service. So yeah guys, this is how you install the Spectrum on LG Smart TV. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. Without being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.